So if you want to use remove.bg for product photos in 2026, yeah, this is one of the fastest ways to make your products look clean, professional, and ready for online stores. First, start with a clear product photo. Use good lighting and a simple background if possible. It helps the tool work much better. Next, go to remove.bg and upload your product image. The tool will automatically detect and remove the background. Now check the cutout carefully. Make sure edges like corners, handles, or small details are clean. If something looks off, use the Edit tool to restore or erase areas for a cleaner product outline. Next, add a white background. This is perfect for online stores like Amazon, Shopify, or Facebook Marketplace. If you want better marketing visuals, try adding lifestyle backgrounds like desks, rooms, or outdoor scenes. Now adjust the size and position of your product so it looks centered and balanced in the frame. Finally, download your image in high-quality PNG so it stays sharp and ready for use anywhere online. And that's it. With remove.bg, you can turn any product photo into a clean, professional listing in just a few minutes.